Welcome, student, for the learning. Uh, Today we'll be discussing civics lesson. Name of the lesson is What is Government? Throughout this lesson, we'll be studying what is mean by government, and then what are the functions of government, then different levels of government and types of government. So let's begin with the first point. The topic is what is government or the definition of government. You must have heard this word many times. Government is doing this. Government is not doing this rather. So this we heard many times. You are watching on television. Then people are discussing about the government. So the word government is not new for you. Already we have a lot of we have a lot of heard about this word government. But if you want to see the exact definition of government, so we can say what the definition of the government is. A government is a system that setups or that makes different laws, and it has its own institutions, and not only they make the laws, but they have to take efforts so that the made laws are implemented among the people. So we can say it is an agency, or it can be called as a group of people who have got the powers from the people to govern them, to rule them. Or in short, we can say government is nothing but the representation of the people, because everybody can't govern to the country, they can't take decision. So the people from them only decide that this will be our leader and they will take decision for us. And this group or this agency rather is called government. They have certain powers. Of course, they also have the control of the people if it is democracy. It means though they are enjoying the powers, they also have restrictions. They also have to answer the people. They are responsible. They are responsible towards citizen. Means they can't take any decision as they like. They have to think about the people, what will be the effect of the decision that we are taking. So this group or this agency is called a government. So here is an video on this, so you enjoy that video.
What is government? An intro for kids from Sanger Academy. Please help us make more of these videos by supporting us. You've heard people talk about government and politics before, but what does that mean? Let's back up a bit. First, what is a country? You can think of many examples of countries: the United States, Canada, and Japan are just three among many countries. A country has borders that define what land is part of the country. The people in a country usually have many things in common, which means they do things mostly the same way. Within a country, people usually speak a common language, a language like English or Chinese, but not always. And there are many more languages. They usually have a common religion, a religion like Christianity or Islam, but not always. And there are many more religions. We say the people of a country make up the society of that country. People in a society generally want to help each other and cooperate. But not always. Some people, some of the time, commit crime. They hurt and rob and cheat others. And even very nice people can get into disputes or disagreements that are very hard to settle. A whole society, or people of a country, can face invasion, where other people come in and fight to take over the country. Societies face other problems. For example, when many people in a society are poor, in poverty, or need education to learn things like reading, basic math, and how the world works. Crime, disputes, poverty, and poor education are social problems. To solve such problems, and problems for the whole country like war, some people are given authority. Society agrees to let people in authority punish criminals, resolve disputes, fight wars, and take the people's money, called taxes, to pay for these things and to fight other social problems. You have heard the word power. Authority means power over people. When I was a child, I was very puzzled by words such as government and politics, but now maybe I can help you understand. The people with power, the people given authority over other people, are who we mean by a government. And politics is everything we do to get the power of government or to help others get that power. The end. Types of government comes next.
Okay, you must have understood what the video is saying to you. It is a system, I have already told you, that take decisions regarding the welfare of that particular country. The next important point of our discussion is functions of government. Okay, as we have understood what is meant by government, it has certain roles, it has certain works to do. These are called as functions of government. These functions every government has to complete. It is the responsibility of the government to provide people these opportunities, then these things which are mentioned in front. Okay, so here are few functions of the government, like maintaining law and order in the country. Then they have to raise taxes, collect taxes from the people, so that this money or the taxes can be used again for the people only. Then providing public goods like facilities for the people. And then they have the functions like minimizing inequality. In front of government, everybody is equal. So government has to maintain the equality among the people. Then they have to control on the market or economy of the country. And then national defense is one of the important function of the government, because if any enemy or the neighboring country is attacking, it is the primary function of the government to protect the country from such enemies. So it is one of the major we can say functions of the government. Then they have to control and regulate labor market. Laborers, they have to take care of the rights of the laborers, working peoples, poor peoples. Then protection of the environment is another function that a government has to do. There are few more functions mentioned in front, like front. Here you can see the first important function of any government is to take the decision. Taking the decision is the prime responsibility of the government, and that those decisions should be good for the people. They should think before taking any decision. They should think each part of the society, each member of the society, so that they are not affected negatively by the decision. So then government has to provide electricity to its citizen. Electricity providation is another function of the government. Then the government has to build the road, they have to make the road, they have to repair the road whenever they required. So maintaining the road, making the roads is the prime responsibility of the government. Then another important responsibility of the government is providing the education. For this reason, government has different schemes for implementation of education. It is the responsibility of the government to provide free and uh, education to everybody from the country, and it should be easily available to every citizen of the country so that they can get educated and better responsible citizen will be created. For that reason, they can have the expenditure, they can raise the taxes, they can collect the taxes and provide better education facility. It is the responsibility of the government to give education, to provide education and make necessary arrangement for the providing education. This is one of the responsibility. Then the government has to plan different schemes. The schemes can be for women, it can be for children, it can be for a poor group of the society, or they have to make, or they have to design such schemes which will be beneficiary to every citizen of the country. So it is the responsibility of the government to implement different schemes, then plan different scheme. Not only planning the different scheme, but also they have to implement, and they have to take care that whatever the schemes are created, they should be implemented properly among the people. That is also a responsibility of the government. Then government provide postal services. There is also a responsibility of the people or the government to provide people the facility of post, or they have to provide the communication and telecommunication facility, they have to provide the transportation facility. Even science and technology development is another responsibility of the government. So then even one of the important function of the government is to protect the country from external and internal enemies. So border security is one of the important function of the government, so that the citizen can live peacefully, they can enjoy the life peacefully. For that reason, they have to protect the borders of the country. Then they have to take responsibility and take necessary measurements and for the natural disasters, so that natural disaster doesn't make much damage. For that reason, it is also responsibility of government to make necessary arrangement regarding the natural disasters. And if any natural disaster occurs, the safety of the people is also responsibility of the government. So disaster management, in the other word we can say, is the responsibility of the government. Recently we have faced such type of natural disaster around the coastal area of Maharashtra. So the responsibility of the government is to make necessary arrangement to protect people from the natural disasters. So here is an activity for you. In this activity, what you have to do, I have given certain examples over here. If you look at these all newspaper headlines, you will find that these newspaper headlines are common. There is one common factor, that is all these news headlines belong, or they are related with the government. So in this, the government decisions are mentioned, then government schemes are mentioned, then what government is doing is mentioned. So these all these are regarding the government. So what you have to do, you have to collect such type of news headlines. You can use old newspapers and find out such news, and you have to use our newspaper cuttings. You cut the headlines regarding the government. It may be the function of the government, it may be any decision that government has taken, or any news that is related with the government. You have to collect the headlines of such news, and then you have to cut them from the old newspaper. Only headlines you have to cut, and then you have to paste. Either you can paste on a drawing sheet, or you can paste it on a drawing paper. So this activity you have to perform, and along with this you will be given a worksheet that also you have to complete within given time, so that there won't be any trouble.